All right, so we're gonna do the viral dirty spaghetti. I have my chicken broth. My noodles are boiling. Put a little bit of seasoning in the noodles, some chicken broth in there. I'm gonna cheat with the cut up vegetables already. I'm gonna do some sausage, and I have ground beef. So this is the dirty spaghetti, Tristan's edition. May even add a little bit of cheese in there. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so here is my mixture. I already seasoned it. I have some sausage. I'm gonna add my Holy Trinity. I already seasoned it real good. I used some Rotel, some chicken broth, some chicken, beef broth, chicken broth. I have to have my salzone. I have my ranch seasoning, and with something else I use. So this is a seasoning. I'm doing dirty spaghetti. My noodles over there. I'm about to drain them. Smells real good. All right, so here is my veggies: onions, bell peppers, sausage, and ground beef. And I did add a little bit of cheese because, yeah, it's turning out pretty good. I'll let that cook, and then we'll come back to the next step. All right, so here's the final product for the dirty spaghetti. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna stick it in the oven. Put some foil on it, clean up, put the bread in the oven. All right, so I cooked this dirty spaghetti that I've been seeing people talk about online. That's our Sunday dinner, so I'm gonna try it. I tried not so hard to make this so cheesy, but what do you think? A different spin on spaghetti. Not bad. Try not to make it so cheesy. And I add some garlic bread and a Kool-Aid to drink. Not bad. Gotta make it juicy.